Hello and welcome. In today's video, where I'll show you how to hard reset your Google Pixel phone quickly and easily. So let's get started. Before you begin, make sure to back up any important data, as this process will erase everything on your phone. So let's go. First, turn off your Google Pixel. Once it's powered off, press and hold the power button and the volume down button at the same time. Keep holding them until the boot menu appears. Now, use the volume buttons to scroll and highlight recovery mode. Then, press the power button to select it. When you see the Android logo with a red exclamation mark, wait a few seconds. Then press and hold the power button, and while holding it, press the volume up button once, then release both. If that doesn't work, try pressing both buttons together quickly. If it doesn't work the first time, don't worry, this step can be a bit tricky and even a little annoying. Just try again a few times until the recovery menu appears. Next, use the volume buttons again to scroll to wipe data and factory reset, and press the power button to confirm. Select factory data reset to confirm your choice. Once the reset is complete, choose Reboot System now. And that's it! Your Google Pixel will restart and be restored to its factory settings. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more quick and easy tutorials.